Been running about 5 minutes. Probably could let it run a little longer, but I'm gonna go check some. This is probably a few minutes after I removed the dirty filter. See my ugly face. Out back. Oh. Oops, I blinded you. That's terrible. The reason I'm under here is my plan to clean this dirty coil is to disconnect the return and clean it with a hose from the inside of the house. It's a little, well, what's the word for it? I don't have a good word for it. Maybe it's dumb. But I don't want to mess with the service valves because it's kind of an old system. It ain't looking the hottest, and I don't want them to start leaking on me. So I'm going to try to clean the coil well without having to pump down the system and disconnect the coil. I'm looking at myself and not the camera. I'm not good at this. In here. Go. Guess that works. Let's see how this goes. After cleaning the coil,